Alright, so today we're picking up a 1,100 horsepower Mustang. That is John's Mustang.
What's up?
We're in the way now. We might be able to do the first start with the twin turbo kit.
I hope so. I hope it's ready to go, but I don't know.
There's a couple things more we need to do, but hopefully we can get it started. Maybe idle a little bit, and let's see how it goes. I'll get back with y'all when we get there. Woo! Alright, so here's the 1,100 horsepower Mustang, and y'all get to first here over here. Yep. Yep, go ahead. All right, so we were just able to pick up the Mustang. And we do have a video of idling. I'm gonna put it right here. Unfortunately, I recorded it upsides and not sideways. I'm still getting used to this whole YouTube thing and not being shorts. But it did run. Maybe a couple more things we need to do. Maybe check the timing on it. But
yeah, I'm gonna check the codes. We're gonna make sure the timing's good. I don't know, leaky injector. It could be anything why it's misfiring. Could be out of time. I don't even know how to stick a timing light. I guess I could try. I think I'm just gonna take everything apart because the timing cover paint is coming off. So I'll redo the timing cover paint. I'm gonna get the pipes for the turbo kit painted as well. That way they'll look a little bit nicer. I could explain more about that later. And yeah, pretty much.
So there's still some work to do, but the car idles. You can hear the turbos whistling on that.
It sounds like we have the car now.
We do have the car.
I can fix it and work on it. Instead of just being unemployed. I can be unemployed with a purpose.
All right.
With a purpose.
With a purpose. But we'll hopefully get back with y'all when the car is fully done or when we're working on it next time. But now we got to go driving out north to work for a friend.
Fuck.
Yeah. It's only 10 o'clock.
No, 6:50.
Okay, 6:50. Oh my God, I thought it was 10 o'clock.
I did say 5:10. We stayed an extra hour to talk. Can you...
So like I was saying, there's a couple things we gotta fix. That is oil leaking from the valve cover. So there's a couple things. Of course the intake. Of course the intake's not gonna stay like that. It's gonna route down here, coming from down here. So there's a couple things here and there. Of course, exhaust.
So it's in limp mode.
O2 sensor mode, O2 sensors. So there's multiple things to get done. But
we'll knock it out in a week.
We'll knock it out really soon. But that right there is an 1,100 horsepower Mustang.